Yes, yes, friends. Now there are some questions on the board which are true false. Actually, these are regarding the elastic uh, and inelastic collision, head-on elastic collision or head-on inelastic collision. Before solving this question, I am repeating again which collision is called elastic. The collision in which momentum and energy both are conserved. The collision between two bodies in which momentum and kinetic both conserved is called elastic collision, while inelastic is that in which momentum conserved but energy lost. But here some questions are given in twisted way. State with reason if each of the following statements are true or false. In head-on elastic collision of two bodies, momentum and energy. In head-on elastic collision of two bodies, momentum and energy of each body conserved. ये थोड़ा कम कम होगा भाई, ये थोड़ा कम दिखागा. एनर्जी ऑफ ईच बॉडी, ईच हो गया यहाँ पर, ईच. Here it is, momentum and energy of two bodies, energy of each body are conserved. तो जैसे कि स्टेटमेंट अभी आई टोल्ड यू, द collision in which momentum and energy remains conserved is called elastic collision. तो इट अपियर्स, लेकिन यहाँ कहा ईच ऑफ बॉडी remains conserved. Actually in head-on collision, kinetic for collision of system is equal to kinetic of system after collision. But here each body, by when collision take place, velocities get changed, so kinetic of the individual bodies get changes, momentum of each body get changes. So it is false. I must say it is false. Have you got my point? In head-on elastic collision, momentum and kinetic both are conserved. That is conserved of the whole system. But momentum and energy of each body gets changed. Then B part. Namaste bhai. Total energy of system is always conserved no matter what internal or external forces on system are present. Total energy of system is always conserved no matter what internal or external force act. इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल फोर्स अगर एक्ट हो रहे हैं, टोटल का एनर्जी आर वे कंजर्व. इट इज फॉल्स बिकॉज total energy of system constant if system is isolated, no force act on that. If no force act on the system, only then the total energy of isolation constant है. But when you apply some force does works on the system and work done convert to kind energy or potential energy. So it is also false. Now the work done in motion on a body for closed loop is zero for every force in nature. Whatsoever is the force, the work done in closed loop is zero. If you are making a body move, then the total energy of system, work done over a closed loop zero means we start from here and come back by following different path. So work done is zero. It is also false. It is true only for conservative force, like gravitational force, like electrostatic force, not for every force. In force of friction, longer the path, if we calculate the work done by force of friction in closed loop, then work will depend on path followed. So it is also false. Okay. Work done in motion on a body through closed loop for every force in nature zero. So, this is wrong because it is true only for conservative force. You know conservative force? Example to gravitation force, electrostatic force. These are conservative forces. This is true only for conservative force. For work done by force of friction depend on path followed. So it is not zero. Conservative force is that in which work done in carrying a body from one place to another by the force or against the force is independent of path followed. That is called conservative force. These questions, in fact, are very twisted one, and such questions are asked in you see competitive exam, because you know तो true false का जमाना आ गया है ना भाई. Then last question, ये यहाँ ठीक सा दिख नहीं रहा है. Last question here is this: in an elastic collision, the final energy is always less than initial energy. In an inelastic collision, it is an inelastic collision. The final energy is always less than initial energy. It is only true because in that collision some energy, kinetic energy will be lost in the form of heat and sound. So these are some questions based on elastic collision, inelastic collision, conservative force, energy and momentum. Similarly, there are some more questions you can note from the sound of the video. Please, these are important questions I am telling you. Don't take it other way. Again, choose the correct alternative. When conservative force does positive work on body, you can write when conservative force does positive work on a body, the potential energy of body increases, decreases, remain unchanged. Conservative force does positive work on a body, then potential energy, क्वेश्चन है potential energy decreases, increases or remains constant. Please read my video again and again, prepare the notes. I got one feedback from one of my friends that some relative told that sir has uploaded good lectures on physics on YouTube, which are very good, and I can understand after 30 years of living this class 11 or 12. तो कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स मैंने बताया था, कंजर्वेटिव फोर्स इज नेगेटिव ऑफ पोटेंशियल ग्रेडियंट एनर्जी F इक्वल टू माइनस डेल्टा U अपॉन डेल्टा एक्स है भाई, और वर्क डन होता है F इंटू डेल्टा एक्स. तो किस्म से यहाँ पर ये माइनस U2 माइनस U1. If this work is positive, naturally U2 should be less than U1. Then only it become positive. And therefore, my explanation here is that by the conservative force is negative of potential gradient W equal to F delta X equal to minus U2 minus U1. U2 final energy, potential energy, U1 initial. If work has to be done on the body positive, then U2 minus should be less than U1 because this difference negative and negative is positive. And therefore, when conservative force does positive work, potential energy decreases. This is the true answer. Remember it. Such questions are asked in your competitive exam and entrance test जो होता है, वहाँ पर ऐसे सवाल खूब हो जाते हैं और हम वहाँ गलत करते हैं. These questions are from NCERT book. These are from NCERT. Please read the question of NCERT. Try to solve them again and again. Solving a question once will not help you. Now next question there. Work done by a force against friction always causes loss in kinetic energy or potential energy. Work done by force of friction. Force of friction always causes loss of kinetic energy oblique potential energy. So here it is true answer. Correct. Whatever the potential energy is not changed. But if body is here on the table, you move it, potential energy will not change, but the work done by you, which should increase kinetic energy, will be lost in the form of heat. Then the rate of change of total momentum of many particle system proportional to external force or sum of internal forces. We have system of many particles. The momentum change होता है, the rate of momentum is change momentum per unit time, delta P upon delta T. So it is proportional to external force or internal forces. So it is proportional to external force, net unbalanced force. Second law, F external is equal to delta P upon delta T. So here correct option is external forces. In an inelastic collision of two bodies, quantity which do not change after collision are the total kinetic energy, total momentum, and total energy of two bodies. Now, in an inelastic collision, the quantity which does not change, the quantity which do not change after collision are total kinetic energy, linear momentum, and total energy. Now, देखो energy can neither be, we are talking about total energy. एक है kinetic energy, momentum. So in head-on inelastic collision, momentum is always conserved. What is lost? That is lost kinetic energy. But total energy remains constant. Because that energy is not wasted. That may convert into sound, heat, light, but energy is not lost. This way, these are some questions from NCERT book. Please see them carefully and do the. I will be telling more questions in on this chapter, which are, I think, good for you. One student came to me, he saw my videos and told me, sir, I got the theory, but I am unable to solve the numerical. Actually, for solving numerical, first of all, you have to keep in mind the whole topics of the chapter and earlier topic also, and then read question one or two times and select what are the given things, select what are you given, and then select what to do and which formula is to be used. That things actually causes problem for students. So read again and again. You will get it. Nothing is hard. When I saw NCERT book, initially I could not understand in first reading, but when I make 2, 3, 5 readings, then I got the things which other books do not have. Thank you.